With its all-new 2025 Fiat Punto design, cutting-edge innovation, and remarkable efficiency, this little car is going to revolutionize the tiny car category. For city dwellers, Fiat has created a revolutionary new product. But that's not all. Envision a vehicle that provides gas-saving benefits in addition to the amenities seen in more expensive makes and models. Furthermore, you will never look at little cars the same way when you discover a fascinating revelation about its engine range. Listen up, because you won't want to miss the reveal that's about to happen. A sleek and energetic appearance characterizes the 2025 Fiat Punto. The vehicle's aggressive and attractive front face is defined by its broad grille and sleek LED headlamps. The car's aerodynamics are improved by the smooth lines and aerodynamic features that run along the sides. You can easily navigate it through congested metropolitan streets thanks to its small size. Adding to the car's modern look are the rear LED taillights and the well-made bumper. The Fiat Punto has an impressively roomy and pleasant interior. Throughout the interior, you'll find high-quality materials that give it a luxury feel. Modern conveniences like automatic climate control, a huge touchscreen infotainment system, and compatibility with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard in this vehicle. The seats are made of long-lasting materials and have an ergonomic shape for maximum comfort, so even the longest trips will be enjoyable. There is plenty of room in the trunk and other storage areas to meet your daily needs, so the inside is also highly functional. Many engine options are available for the 2025 Fiat Punto, so it can cater to drivers with varying tastes. A gasoline engine known for its fuel economy and environmental friendliness powers the entry-level model. Hybrid models are also available. These are ideal for commuting in urban areas due to their lowered CO2 emissions and better fuel economy. An improved 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine is standard on higher trim levels for individuals seeking additional power. Both manual and automatic transmission options are available, giving drivers a chance to customize their driving experience. The 2025 Fiat Punto is anticipated to make its official debut in the latter half of 2024, with the European market being the first to get it in early 2025. Engine options, trim levels, and optional extras all affect the Fiat Punto's final price. In Europe, one should anticipate a starting price of between €18,000 to €20,000 for the base model, with higher trim levels and hybrid options costing around €22,000 to €25,000.